Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by unplugging your Dyson V8 and removing the battery for safety. This is crucial to prevent any accidental activation during the repair process. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover away from the main body of the vacuum. Be cautious, as there may be some clips holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws that may have been overlooked. With the back cover off, you will now have access to the internal components. Take this opportunity to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. Use your soft cloth to wipe down the surfaces, ensuring that everything is free from dirt. This not only helps with the performance of your vacuum, but also prolongs its lifespan. Now it's time to replace the housing. Take your new housing and align it with the main body of the vacuum. Ensure that all clips are properly seated before proceeding. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your Dyson serviced without any hassle. Once the new housing is in place, reinsert the screws you previously removed. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. After securing the screws, double-check that everything is aligned correctly and that there are no gaps. Next, reattach the back cover. Ensure that all clips are engaged and that the cover fits snugly against the body of the vacuum. If you find it difficult to fit, check for any obstructions or misalignments. After the back cover is secured, it's time to reinsert the battery. Make sure it clicks into place, indicating that it is properly connected. Now, plug in your Dyson V8 and turn it on to test if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues during this process, or if you simply prefer to leave it to the professionals, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Plus, with no calls and no travel, you can have peace of mind knowing your vacuum is in good hands. Finally, take a moment to admire your work. Changing the housing on your Dyson V8 is a straightforward task that can save you time and money. Regular maintenance like this can keep your vacuum running efficiently for years to come. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and we hope you found it helpful. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.